Mike, are you sure you know how to put that tent together?
What's that?
There's only 2 poles.
Do it. Still doing it the wrong way, but...
What's he doing?
I'm really gonna like tomorrow. You know what's cool about tomorrow? You guys can go down blacks, and I can go down blues, and we can meet at the bottom of each run. Each lift. That's cool. I'm going down Carpe Diem.
Come on, Mike. You can do it. Come on. Come on.
Yes.
Is there a rain fly? Ta-da! Yeah, there's a rain fly too. Oh, you can totally fit in that. Yeah, it worked wonderfully. Yeah.